This set of interactive resources covers multiplying a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number using the standard algorithm. We will begin with the teaching page. Each of the buttons at the bottom of the page represents a different multiplier from 2 all the way up to 9. Clicking on each button not only changes the multiplier, but also the multiplicand, which changes randomly between 100 and 999. Answers are entered via the keypad like this. Let's begin with multiplying the 5 by 4, which is 20. So 0 goes into the answer line, and then 2 will go into the carryover. We then multiply the 5 by 9, which is 45, plus the 2, 47. 7 goes into the tens column, and the 4 goes into the carryover. We then do the last part of the multiplication, which is 6 times 5, which is 30, plus 4, which makes 34. So 4 is going to go into the hundreds column, and you can either put the 3 directly in there, or of course you can explain it via the carryover as well. You notice that every time that the digit is correct, a tick appears. If a tick does not appear, then it's an indication it's wrong, but the pupils have a chance to put the correct answer in, and the tick appears. The teaching page is accompanied by 2 worksheets. Worksheet 1 is where each button at the bottom is dedicated to one different multiplier from 2 to 9. Each page, as always, is accompanied by the answers. On the second worksheet, each button represents a range of multipliers. So for example, on this first button, the range of multipliers are from 2 to 5, second one goes from 3 to 6, next one from 4 to 7, 5 to 8, and 6 to 9. And again on the second worksheet, answers are provided.